Hey, so this is another update for AI, and we figured out how to finally make the new ones get you. So let's just go ahead and delete the one that was already there that was just for me to work on. It's going to be stalling right here, and just to make it even easier on ourselves, that's the chase range where if you go in there, and then they're both going to start chasing you. And the problem before was if you get out too far and you wait 3 seconds, they'll stop chasing you. But now they chase you no matter what. Future updates will include such things as probably better pathfinding, I guess, or like more difficult, I should say. Instead of they knowing exactly where you are, they would have to check other places or just like kind of more fun, interactions with the player instead of always just like spawning and you touch them, a bunch of enemies come at you, maybe just in a certain area they come and find you. This is just an example, a sort, or it could just be a small level where they gotta get all the enemies really quick, just whatever. I don't really know. Or maybe actually do make a range where they can't get you anymore. I just figured it would be kind of cooler to make it like that.